So in this game time tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to earn $5 in credit here on Game Time. So once Game Time is opened up, go to the bottom right and press on Profile. On this page right here, it'll see your game time credits. So right now I have 0, but if you wanted to add $5 to that, you just have to go ahead and see where it says give 5, get 5. Go ahead and press on that. Now what you can do is share this code right here with friends or whoever, family, and if they go ahead and sign up, it'll actually give you $5, which when that does happen, it'll now appear in your game time credit. So for me, in that example, it'll say $5 compared to 0 if someone signs up and uses the code. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can earn $5 in credit on Game Time. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.